And our patient today is this handsome gentleman that has a beautiful hack for us. You just open the light bulb. There you go. You look inside and you locate the fuse. You get a phototransistor or photodiode. Beautiful soldering. Oh my god, that is some beautiful soldering. Now we get the regular IRF MOSFET, and you connect the gate with drain, and then drain and source across the fuse. Of course, don't forget to make a hole. That's right. There you go. And there you go. You close the light bulb, and you got yourself a remote controlled light bulb. Look at that. It turns on and it turns off. Yeah, now of course this is fake, because this will charge the gate of the transistor, but it will not discharge the gate of the transistor. So the light bulb might turn on, sure, but it will not turn off just because you click the power. So he's using his other hand to actually turn on the light bulb and turn off the light bulb. That's why you don't see the wires or anything. But it doesn't matter if it's fake or not. He's putting the transistor, a MOSFET, across a fuse. That fuse actually makes sure that this light bulb doesn't turn into a hand grenade. And do you know what happens when you have a short inside the light bulb, which is sealed? You got yourself a grenade. That's a stupid idea. Don't do that. There you go.